Hello everyone. Ever noticed your phone heating up during a long gaming session or your laptop slowing down after hours of use? That's because, just like humans, our devices generate heat when they work hard. Managing that heat is what we call thermal management, and it's crucial for keeping our gadgets cool and working efficiently. When electronic components like processors, batteries and motors operate, they generate heat. If this heat isn't controlled, it can cause overheating, reduce the device's performance, or even lead to a long-term damage. Proper thermal management is important not just to protect your device, but to maintain performances, extend its lifespan, and improve energy efficiency. This applies to everything, from the phone in your pocket to industrial machines and electric vehicles. So, how do we keep things cool? There are two main types of thermal management systems, active and passive. Both have their own ways of controlling heat, but they work in very different ways. Let's start with active thermal management. This method uses mechanical systems like fans, pumps, or coolers to actively move heat away from the critical components. The most common example is a cooling fan. It draws heat away from the components like processor by blowing cool air over them and pushing the hot air out. You probably heard the sound of your laptop or desktop fans kicking in when it starts to heat up. Then there is liquid cooling, which is often used in high-performance computers or gaming systems. Liquid cooling systems pump a special fluid around the hot components to absorb heat, and then the fluid is cooled down as it passes through the radiator. This method is much more efficient at cooling than just using fans. Active cooling is also found in cars, where systems like radiators cool the engine. A radiator works by circulating coolant through the engine, where it absorbs heat and then passes through a series of fins when air cools it down before it recirculates. On the other hand, passive thermal management doesn't rely on moving parts like fans or pumps. Instead, it uses smart design and materials that naturally dissipate heat without needing an extra power. One of the most common passive methods is a heat sink. Heat sinks are metal components, often made of aluminum or copper, that sit on top of the processor or on other hot components. They have fins that increase the surface area, allowing heat to escape faster into the surrounding air. Another passive system is a thermal paste. This paste is applied between the processor and the heatsink to fill in tiny gaps, ensuring better contact and improving heat transfer. Smartphone manufacturers also use heat spreaders like metal backings or casings. The metal spreads heat across a wide surface area, allowing it to dissipate more evenly and preventing any one part from getting too hot. Many modern devices uses a combination of both active and passive systems. For example, a gaming laptop might use passive cooling through heat sinks, but when the device heats up during heavy usage, active cooling fan kicks in to bring the temperature down quickly. Thermal management is also essential in larger systems. For electric vehicles, it is critical to keep the batteries and motors cool to ensure safety and maximize efficiency. In data centers, where thousands of servers work non-stop, efficient cooling systems are necessary to prevent overheating and system failures. Even renewable energy systems like wind turbines or solar panels rely on thermal management to maintain performance and prevent heat-related damages. Essentially, from everyday electronics to large-scale industries, managing heat is vital for both safety and efficiency. As technology advances, thermal management systems are becoming more sophisticated. We are already seeing AI-driven cooling systems that adjust fan speeds or liquid flow in real time based on usage. New materials with better heat conducting properties are also being developed, which will make devices even cooler and even more efficient. So the next time your phone stays cool while you binge watch your favorite series, or your laptop handles heavy tasks without slowing down, you'll know the reason. It is all because of the thermal management. It's the invisible force that keeps our devices and the world cool, efficient and safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.